Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an SAT math question. Woohoo! This was question 7 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, on the SAT that was administered in April of 2017. Right there, you can pause the video, pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did, because we're getting in there. It reads, a pool initially contains 1,385 cubic feet of water. A pump begins emptying the water at a constant rate of 20 cubic feet per minute. Which of the following functions best approximates the volume, V of t, in cubic feet of water in the pool t minutes after pumping begins, for 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 69. Ugh, yikes. I'm kind of confused. I got some numbers here though. I know that the pool starts with 1,385 cubic feet of water, and it loses 20 cubic feet every minute. And then they're asking me about minutes, so I don't have to do any unit conversions with my time. If I look at all the answer choices, I see that they all have t. It's a pretty good indication that I can plug in a number. I can just choose my own value for t and then solve for what the answer would be. How about 2? How much water would be left in the pool after the pump had been going for 2 minutes? Well, it pumps out 20 cubic feet per minute, so that's 40 cubic feet that have been pumped out after an initial 1385. So now I have 1385 minus 40 is 1345. So when t equals 2, the volume remaining should be 1345. Let's go through the answer choices and cross off all the ones that don't give us 1345. And hey, we can use our calculator. We live in an exciting time. Answer choice A gives us 1385 minus 20 times 2, or 40. 1385 minus 40 is 1345. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's totally it, because that's what we just did to solve for it. B would give us, well, a number that's lower, because it's minus 69 times 2. C and D would actually give us more water in the pool, which, that's a crappy pump. You should get a new one. There's a slightly more abstract way of thinking about this problem as well, which is that the rate of change of the volume of the pool is 20 cubic feet per minute. Well, that's what slope is, right? Slope is a rate of change. It's usually change in y over change in x. But in this case, instead of y, we have the volume of the pool. And instead of x, we have the time in minutes. If you rearrange answer choice A, it looks kind of like y equals mx plus b form. V of t equals negative 20t plus 1385. Since the volume is going down 20 feet per every minute, the slope, if you'd like to think of it that way, has to be negative 20. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.